Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the topic our continuation of Globus workflow, job workflow. Okay, ma. After completion your Globus job workflow, we will discuss the installation of Globus Toolkit 4 also. Now we can see the Globus Toolkit 4 configuration, how it will be at grid file transfer protocol configuration, and coming to the reliable file transfer configuration and gram configuration. We have three configurations. First of all, grid FTP configuration, and then RFT configuration, and then finally gram configuration. What is the grid FTP configuration? In the sense, grid file transfer okay, protocol configuration. When you install Globus Toolkit 4, at the time we can install grid file transfer protocol is installed by default, ma. Okay, it is installed by default. It can function without a specific configuration. Okay, we want to run the following command to start grid FTP server. Okay, to start a grid FTP server with hyphen yesma. Okay, to make the command run as a demand, and we want to write at the start hyphen p 2811 to specify the listening port for client connections. Okay, what we want to make the command run as a demo on if you have give for example hyphen s hyphen p2811 to specify the listening port for client connections. Okay, the Globus Toolkit, it is an open source software. It supports the grid in computing the grid infrastructure management. Okay, so the toolkit addresses the common problems and issues related to that grid resource discovery and management and communication and security, and to detect the faults and portability. Okay, if you have to install these three configurations, we want the steps required to configure the Globus Toolkit are shown below now here. After installing Globus Toolkit 4, first of all we want to create user Globus as non-root user. Okay, and then second point, we want to perform grid FTP configuration. Already we discussed grid FTP configuration now itself, and then we have to perform RTF configuration. What is the meaning of the RTF? Reliable file transfer configuration. What? In the sense, it is used to perform third party transfer. What ma? Third party transfers across grid FTP servers. So the grid FTP records the transfers status through reliable file transfer. Okay, so that they can be recovered from failures. So as these records are stored in a database. Now we can see the database should be installed on the system. In this annex, we can say we use some PostgreSQL version 8.1.4 as the database. Then we can installation and configuration of PostgreSQL document, or it available at hypertext transfer protocol //worldwideweb.postgresql.org. Okay, where it has been available the document you have http worldwideweb.postgresql.org/documents/manuals. If you have to configure at RFT, reliable file transfer. Okay, it is used to perform the third party transfers across the grid FTP servers. Okay, the grid FTP servers records the transfers status through RTF so that they can be recovered from failures. As these records are stored in a database should be installed on that system. Okay, Okay, this is the concept. After we have to, first of all, we have to, how you have to perform this RTF configuration, in the sense, we first of all we want to run the following command as root, to configure the postmaster daemon, accept to transmission control protocol connections by adding the options hyphen o hyphen I. Later we can give the, we can set some path like PostgreSQL underscore install underscore path slash data slash. Okay, we can run this. Later, second, we can run create database, RFT database, to create the database used for RFT. Then we want to create the database tables with the SQL script offered by GT4. Okay, and then we have to give some location where it have to share you, the globus location share. Okay, and then finally we have to the third step here, we have to modify the file, dollar prompt globus underscore location something slash etc slash globus underscore something WSRF underscore RFT slash JNDI underscore config.xml as globus. We can give some set as some path. Okay, find that item connection string. Okay, in that resource, we want to in that resource we have to change the values of driver name and connection string, and by using username and password. This is the concept of RTF configuration. Okay, now we can perform gram configuration. What is the gram? Gram in the sense global resource allocation manager. What this we have to install gram configuration. Gram is installed as a part of a default globus toolkit 4.0 installation. We can see the gram executes and manages jobs through the local scheduler. Okay, through the gram executes and manages jobs through the local scheduler. We can see the globus toolkit 4 supports the local schedulers, like we can say Condor package, LSF, PBS. These are the packages, middleware software packages. One of these local schedulers should be installed, and we want to say these are also configured in advance. Now we can see the reliable file transfer must be installed and configured because the file staging of global resource allocation manager, it depends on the reliable file transfer configuration procedures. Okay, first of all, if you have to add the following lines, what they are shown in your configuration as root open file. Okay, and then we have to make the host credentials, it should be accessible by the container. And then third, the local scheduler adapter configuration. If you have to install some PBS adapter also, and then we have to configure the remote shell. Okay, this is the concept of gram configuration. After that, we have to install this gram configuration inbuilt by default at a GT4 installation is there. We have to configure a certificate authority CA, and then finally if you have to provide some default values by using grid hyphen certified hyphen request command to generate this certificate. And finally, if you have to take some request service certificate to authenticate themselves to use to the user. And finally we want to specify the identity of mapping information. Okay, this is the concept of globus configuration. In this globus configuration, we have to learn about the three configurations: gram configuration, and we have to learn about grid FTP configuration, and we have to learn about RFT configuration. These configurations include in globus toolkit for installation. Okay, these are the open source software. We want to support the grid infrastructure management. Later we discuss the further concept. Thank you.